Everybody meet Leo. Oh, he's fat. Say hi, Leo. Hi, guys. Okay, guys, so today I'm gonna turn half of my face into something reminiscent of firecrackles and or Phoenix Lady. I have this wig that I've been using. I have repurposed this wig. This is the third time. And finally I've dyed it red, which I'm pretty sure you can tell, but I have dyed it red. Kind of just at the top, I used, it's called Fright Night Colored Hairspray in Rotten Red. Look how cool that is. Rotten Red. And this is today's inspiration for the look. It looks like she shaded in like a red first on the side of her face. So I'm gonna see, she has this on her right side. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna go with the right side. I really wasn't sure, but we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna start by shading in. This is like the most obnoxious wig ever, and it's so janky. It's like knotted in the back, but like, hey, whatever, it'll do the trick. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the shading before anything so that I at least have the placement ready to go. I'm gonna take, I guess initially, I'm hoping this will work. I'm just taking like a contour brush and I'm taking it into like a rusty red shade. Yeah, that'll do the trick. I'm gonna be using, let's see, it's called Hunts. I'm gonna be using this color just here in the Jaclyn Hill palette. So far you should have something like this. Now we're gonna bring the color onto the décolleté, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna kind of go in the shape, like add more color in the shape of like my décolleté, you know, outline my décolleté a little bit. So I'm gonna grab a smaller brush for that, kind of like a smaller blending brush, going into that darker shade. I'm gonna go in with my small blending brush. I'm gonna grab this darker shade just here. It's called, let me see, Jax. Looks like this. I don't care if you don't wanna do all the things that I do, I only wanna be the one who makes you feel so. I'm gonna go back in with the same brush that I used that darker shade with, and I'm gonna use the shade that I used up here called Hunts, and I'm gonna go on top of it. I'm just gonna add that red. I am not with you. Baby, I'm going crazy. I wanna be somebody for you that makes your heart run wild. I wanna turn you on, 'cause lately I've been feeling like there's somebody you'd rather hide from. Don't wanna lose, yeah, lose, yeah. I wanna be the one. Don't wanna lose. We're kind of like leaving the center of the face like a little bit more like light, if that makes sense. At least this is my take just from like looking at the photo anyways. The center, like, you don't want to touch. And just shade it in. Make sure that when you're first applying the color, you're applying the main amount of pigment kind of at the high points because again, the center, you want it to be sort of diffused, and I think I want to put like a highlighter in the center. I'm actually gonna go ahead and grab my What's Up. I'm gonna grab some on the back of my hand. It's a highlighter. It's like a cream highlighter from Benefit. Amazing. It's an oldie but a very goodie. And I'm gonna kind of, let me see. I'm just gonna take like a stippling brush, grab it, and just stipple it kind of in the center because I want there to be like light. Grab this brush. You can't see it. It's just a little pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with the white and start creating those like crackles in the skin. I'm gonna leave it here. Now I'm gonna go in with yellow. So I'm gonna grab yet again another one of these little brushes. So it should look something like this. I'm just gonna clean up some spots. Now, you could either choose to leave it like this, right? And then just do your eyes or what have you. Or you can go in, if you have a little bit of extra time, and add a little bit more definition. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a little pencil brush like this, and I'm gonna go in with probably you should probably go in with something like smaller and thinner than this. I'm gonna go in with that deep red called Jack's, grabbing a good amount on my brush, the very edge of the brush, and just kind of adding dimension. So the darker colors really should stay at the bottom. I'm gonna let that just sit for a second. I'm gonna just do my lips. I'm using, oh, I love how this smells. I'm actually using Trophy Wife by Huda Beauty. That makes your heart run wild. So we're almost done. I kind of want to do my eyes. Like I want to do something with my eyes. I'm going to go back in with this brush that I used, the blending brush. I'm going to grab my lipstick palette. I think I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's called number 3. It kind of looks like a brown, I don't know. It looks like a good color that I can apply the shade that I want. Like, look at that color payoff. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. The shade that I want. Like, look at that color payoff. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Just go underneath. Oh, whoops. And also I realized I keep going in here too much. When I watch my videos again, I noticed that. I'm like, no, why'd you go up so high? Or like, it's funny because I like critique myself, you know? I'm like, girl, why'd you do that? Or, you could have done this better, Bridget. It's like silly. But it's good. It's actually been interesting to see how I apply my makeup via like a recording, you know? Because I always want to get better. Seriously, just the most gorgeous color. I'm gonna let it speak for itself, and it's called Firework. It's this shade just here. Sorry guys, you weren't recording. And it doesn't notify me, like if it's not recording, it doesn't say, like, it doesn't beep or anything. And then I'm gonna grab this brush. I'm gonna use any old highlighter will do. I'm gonna use like a concoction, so let's see if it comes out nice. I'm gonna put lashes on and I will be right back. Guys, I just glued on my lashes and I think I'm gonna leave it here. So this is the final look. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you liked it, if you would do this look. I'm definitely going to post up pictures once my lashes dry, and I will talk to you beauties very soon. Peace. Don't wanna lose.